Hi everyone, it's Mike from Altair, and I'm here with the Altair Dagger, and we're going to talk about installing the propellers. So on most of our drones and on the Dagger, you're going to have two sets of propellers, an A set and a B set. You have to be aware that the A set will rotate one way and the B set will rotate another way when you're screwing and unscrewing the propeller attachment. If you take a look a little closer here, on the Dagger, the A propellers have a little divot on the top of the metal screw, and the B propellers do not. So that's how you tell the difference. You can also flip the drone over, and underneath the propellers you've got B, B1, and B1 over here, and A. So they are diagonal across from each other, the A and the B propeller. To unscrew, you can use the wrench, or you can try just using your fingers, depending on how tightly they're tightened. Hold on to the bottom of the motor and gently release the screw. Now this is a B, I think. There's a little O-ring right on top of the propeller. You want to make sure you don't lose. Pull that off, set it down, you'll see the O-ring. It goes on top of the propeller and underneath the screw. And then you would just grab a new set of propellers. You make sure you have your, this is a B, so you'd make sure you'd have a B. Put it on, put on the O-ring, and then replace the screw. And hand tighten it. Just hand tighten it until it stops. Okay, and you do the exact opposite for the A propeller. The exact same thing, it's just that the screw will screw in the opposite direction. So really very simple, just unscrew the screw, take the O-ring off, pull the propeller off, put a separate propeller on, put the O-ring on top of the propeller, and then screw the screw back on and hand tighten it.